Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to create playlists on TikTok. So to do this, what you have to do is just to firstly open your TikTok app, then click on profile at the bottom right of the screen to continue. So when done, click on three dash icon at the top right of the screen, then click on TikTok Studio to continue. So when done, where we have right here, just scroll right here and select playlist. As you can see, click on playlist, then create playlist. So when done, give the playlist a name. Let us go back here. So when done, the next thing for you to just to click on next. You can then select the video which you want to be in the playlist. So just click on the cycle which is right there, as you can see. So when done, click on done at the bottom of the screen.
There, sitting quietly in a corner of his living.
As you can see right now, the playlist has been created and the video has been added to it. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.